Hello students, today let us learn about slide organization. Editing a slide involves adding a new slide, deleting a slide, rearranging slides, changing backgrounds, changing layouts, inserting text box, etc. Contents of the existing slides can also be changed. Let us first understand about slides in your presentation as you need. When you add a slide, you need to consider the layout of that slide. Students know that you have to press Ctrl plus M to insert a new slide. Open an existing presentation, My Presentation. Click on New Slide drop-down list on the Home tab. Choose any layout from the displayed gallery according to your need. PowerPoint will add a new blank slide formatted with the layout you have selected. Students know that to select more than one slide consecutively, hold down the Shift key while you click on each slide. Let us now learn about changing the new slide. A layout contains placeholders which hold text such as titles, bulleted lists, and slide contents such as tables, charts, pictures, shapes, and clip art. Each time you insert a new slide, you have to choose a layout that matches your requirement. The layout can be modified either in normal view or slide sorter view. Okay, students, can you quickly reply what is the difference between normal view and slide sorter view? Select slide sorter view option on the View tab. Choose the slide whose layout you want to change. Click on the Layout button in the Slides group on the Home tab. Select the layout according to your need from the displayed list. Observe the changes in the existing slide. The text on the slide will be rearranged according to the chosen layout. Okay, before we move further, let us first discuss about editing text. The text you type in placeholders such as title, subtitle, etc. can be modified in a variety of ways. Select the slide in which you want to edit the text. Click on the text. A placeholder with the cursor inside it will appear. Now make the required changes in the text and then save it. Let us now learn about moving text. This feature is used to move the objects from one place to another. You can also move the objects on the same slide or between different slides. Follow these steps to move an object. Select the object. Click on Cut button or use Ctrl plus X option. The object disappears from the slide. Place the cursor after the last point on the same side. Click on Paste button or use Ctrl plus V option. The selected text object will appear at the cursor position. Okay, students, now let us discuss about moving objects and moving slides. Now let's learn how to copy text. You can copy the objects anywhere on a slide, between slides, or from one file to another. This feature helps in reducing time and efforts in typing. Copy and paste options duplicate the selected objects. Select the object. Click on Copy button or use Ctrl plus C key combination. Place the cursor after the last point. Click on Paste button or press Ctrl plus V. The copied object will appear in its new location. Let us now find out how to insert text box. Sometimes you may want to add more text than the area provided for entering text. Text box is a placeholder where you can enter and manipulate text. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere on the slide. Click on New Slide button in the Slides group on the Home tab. Enter the title, Activities of the month. Click to add subtitle placeholder in slide. Type the given text. Click on Text Box tool in the Text group on the Insert tab. Drag the mouse and release when you are done. You will get a rectangular box with an insertion point in it. Enter the text January. It automatically adjusts the long text and shifts to the next line. Okay, students, can you quickly reply what is the use of text box tool? Let us now give me a tip that text box appears in the slides pane of normal view or on the slides tab, but not in the outline tab. Let us now rearrange slides in slide sorter view. Click on the slide sorter button on the view tab. Select the slide that you want to move. Drag the selected slide to a new location. A vertical bar appears next to the slide where the slide is moved. Similarly, you can rearrange slides in the outline tab. Let us now talk about inserting clip art. Clip art is used to add pictures in the slides. You can add clip art to the existing slide or create slides consisting of clip art only. Place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. Click on the clip art button in the illustrations group on the insert tab. The clip art task pane is displayed on the right side of the window. Type the name of clip art that you want to insert. For example, type computer in the search for text box and click on Go button. It will display all the clip art images related to a computer. You can also click on the Organize Clips option to view all the clip art images stored in a computer. Click on the clip art that you want to insert. Alright students, let us now learn working with word art. The word art feature helps you to create special text effects. It gives a unique look to the text. Using word art, you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, curved, or apply 3D effects, etc. Click on the word art button in the text group on the Insert tab. Select the desired option from the word art gallery. Type Kip's presentation in placeholder and select this text. Click on Text Fill drop-down arrow in the Word Art Styles group on the Format tab. Select the desired color and observe the change. Click on the Text Outline drop-down arrow. Choose the desired outline color from the displayed list. Now click on the Text Effects drop-down arrow. Point to Glow option and click on the desired effect from the Glow Variations section. You will find a beautiful change in the text. Students, note the fact that to delete text from a slide, select the text that you want to delete. Press Delete key. The selected text will be deleted. Students, do you know the fact to fill color in a shape object? Select any shape object. Click on the Shape Fill button in the Drawing group on the Home tab. Click on any color of your choice and see the change. Okay, let us now find out how to insert shapes. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps in drawing different shapes. Shapes can be resized, rotated, flipped, and colored. Okay, students, note the fact that you can rotate a picture under Drawing Tools on the Format tab in the Arrange group. Click Rotate and select the desired option. Similarly, you can flip an object. Flipping means to turn over an object. Click on Shapes button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. A pop-up menu will display options like lines, rectangles, flowchart, etc. Point to basic shapes and move the pointer to select smiley face and click on it. The pointer changes to plus sign. Drag the pointer on the slide to get the smiley face. Okay, students, note that to resize the shape selected, you will find 8 handles around it. Place the mouse pointer on any handle. The pointer changes to double-headed arrow. Drag the handle to increase or decrease the size. Let us learn about using shadow effects. In addition to adding textures and colors, you can apply shadow effects to the shape object. It will make the shapes look impressive. Select a shape object. Click on Shapes Effect button in the drawing group on the Home tab and select Shadow option. Click on Offset Center in the outer sub option. The object will appear with a shadow. Students know that to maintain the shape's height and width ratio, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shape. You can select more than one shape object by holding the Shift key and clicking on the required object. Okay, students, now let me share an important tip. To have different shadow colors, select Shadow from the Shape Effects pop-up menu and click on the Shadow options. Select any color from it. Similarly, you can work with 3D rotation option present on the Shape Effects pop-up menu. Hey students, to know more about MS PowerPoint, visit http://www.buycongroup.com/PowerPoint2007/index.htm. Okay students, now we will discuss points at a glance of this chapter. A slide layout can be changed either in normal view or slide sorter view. Text box is a placeholder where text can be inserted and manipulated. Clip art is used to add pictures in slides. Word art feature helps to create special text effects.